Millionaires are going all in on community in 2025. If you're new to the channel, my name is Arlan, and 10 years ago I was homeless. But since then, I have invested in more than 200 startups. I've raised more than $30 million, and I have earned millions of dollars in that decade alone. I've also interviewed hundreds of millionaires and worked with thousands of millionaires in the last decade. I'm in these rooms and I hear these conversations. I want to tell you what the millionaires are talking about so that you can use it for your business. Many millionaires are going all in on community in 2025. This is a power shift to community. They're realizing that they can't do it on their own, and they're realizing that they can't keep treating their customers the same way they have for the past few decades. This fosters loyalty, advocacy, and engagement among customers. But this isn't just for the wealthy. You can use this tactic no matter where you are in your journey. And in fact, I think you are better prepared if you have not made your first million to have a thriving community. So we know that consumers prefer brands that feel authentic. That's why this works, because what you're doing is bringing your customers together to talk about themselves, your product, and the business. They become advocates, not just buyers. So this is a long-term investment you can make in your business, building out community. The quick math is that you can make more money in your business by either having more people buy or having people who buy already buy more. Both are great tactics. This one helps you do both, because you attract more people, and because this is such a sticky, engaged group, they will end up buying more from you over time. And ad costs are getting only more and more expensive. You can still do ads, and there are ways to do that effectively. But don't you want an edge that will help you not have to rely on paid ads? This is one of the best hacks I have found in my entire career. When you have a community, an online group that maybe even meets in person, you also have this built-in feedback mechanism. So instead of sending out like some sort of email survey that nobody will fill out, you can actually build this in to the group. So you can even gamify it, right? Because other people will see other people voting and doing surveys and answering questions. They'll want to be part of it too. And when you have that kind of data about your own company, you can make some really smart decisions. Another way that millionaires I've seen and worked with are using the community model is that they're using it to build their personal brand. Just like you've probably seen a lot of people really jump on the YouTube bandwagon in the past 12 months, myself included. They're also doing this with groups of like-minded people who are learning from them and seeing that value from day one. It's such an epic hack. This also enables partnerships, collaborations, investment, all sorts of things that are a wonderful byproduct of just providing value to a very engaged group of people. You may even make some friends of a lifetime by doing this. I personally think it's also helping to combat loneliness. There's a loneliness epidemic, and I think that groups and communities are helping to combat that. So there's a way that you can start your group right away, and you don't have to wait weeks or months or even years for a big launch. In fact, starting small will help you. It'll help you grow faster. If you prioritize connection in 2025, so much will happen for you.